Well, here I am, making a second video in the same week. So the last video I posted, I taught you guys how to get famous on TikTok, but now I'm gonna teach you guys how to get rich on TikTok. But before I do that, I gotta get changed real quick because I just had an exam. Ready? Whoa, much better. Let's go. Now let's be honest. I know you guys want to make money. I know you guys want to be famous on TikTok, but there's a few things I need to go over first. So when you're trying to make money on TikTok, it's a lot different than if you're trying to make money on YouTube. So on YouTube, whenever you guys post a video, it automatically gets ads put on top of it, and from those ads, you generate money. But when it comes to TikTok, it's not that easy. And I'm not gonna lie to you, it actually takes a pretty good amount of work to actually start making money on this app. So quickly, I'm just gonna go over a few things that you guys need to understand. Firstly, to start making money, you're gonna need 1,000 fans at the minimum. Because on TikTok, the way that you actually make money is through donations instead of ad revenue. A great comparison on how to make money on TikTok would be Twitch. Because on Twitch, your fans donate you money and it's the same concept when it comes to TikTok. There's no subscription, there's no advertising service. This is the only way that you could possibly make money on TikTok. Now, okay, you might think, well, easy enough. My fans are just gonna donate money to me, but let's be honest, that's not gonna happen. Because for your fans to actually be able to donate money to you, you have to be able to live stream. So this is where that 1,000 follower rule comes in. Once you hit 1,000 followers on TikTok, you're able to go live. And when you go live, this is how your fans interact with you, and this is how they're able to donate. Donations come in the form of something that TikTok likes to call gifts. Gifts. I can't speak. Gifts. Okay, you get the point. And this is where you want to have a big following, because the more people that you have following you, the more people that are going to be in your live stream. Now, once you've done all of this, once you've got 1,000 fans, once you've started live streaming, there's a few things you guys need to do. Once you guys start live streaming, you guys are going to realize though that people aren't just going to donate you money. There has to be an actual reason why they're going to give it to you. Sure, there's some exceptions to this. Sometimes your fans just want to support you, they think you're hot or something, and they'll give you money for that. But the real way that people actually get paid through TikTok is by doing exchanges. What I mean by this is when someone's streaming, they will often say, if you guys donate a concert, I will react to you. If you guys donate an I'm very rich, I will shout you out. If you guys aren't actually from TikTok, you're not gonna understand what those mean, but basically a concert is worth 500 coins or the equivalent of $7. And I'm very rich is worth 1,000 coins and that's worth $14. And this is where the trade comes in. They donate money and they get reacted to. But there is a scummy little secret TikTok doesn't tell you straight up. So although TikTok doesn't tell you it straight up, they take half of the money that you make. What I mean by this is how I said a concert will cost $7, you really only earn $3.50. The reason behind this is because you get 50%, TikTok gets 30%, and the other 20% goes to actually paying for the app's cost. Now, of course, this isn't really something to complain about because at the end of the day, you're still making money. But this is just something that you have to be aware about. You're not gonna get the full amount, you're only gonna get half. But you know, at the end of the day, as long as you're making money, it's okay, right? There's one last thing that I'm gonna add though, and this is actually pretty important. If you guys just start doing TikTok for money, it's probably not gonna last. And the reason for this is because you're gonna suffer from burnout. Your content's gonna suck, you're not actually gonna put effort into growing your page, and you're probably gonna stick at around 100 followers. I see so many people complaining about how they're only at 100, 200, 300 fans, but the reality is they're not actually putting any effort into it and they're just trying to get money out of the app. In a way, TikTok rewards you. If you grow your page, if you care about your community, they'll give back to you. And that's something that you need to understand. But with everything else aside, let's be honest. You could get rich on TikTok. If you get famous, you can get rich, you can move to LA, you can make bank, you can have Gucci, you can be like, woohoo! And you can be absolutely loaded. But there's a lot of things you gotta understand, and it's not as easy as you think. But anyways, I hope you guys actually learned a thing or two about TikTok, how it works, how people actually make money on it. And make sure you guys go follow me on TikTok. The link will be down in the description. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram, @EricStruk. Make sure you subscribe to me. And I'll be back another day. We're doing good with these videos so far. I'm actually starting them again. I'm not being lazy. This is my second video in a week. Also, make sure you guys comment down below on videos that you might actually want me to do. Because if you guys want me to talk about certain things, do certain reactions or stuff like that, I'll obviously do it. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.